It's all about pairing an odor with a reward system.
The dog's ability to search for and locate a scent out in the field is honed during the first block of their training, which is focused on detection. Using training aids filled with trace elements of explosive materials or narcotics, the dogs are trained to detect an array of odors. Trainers utilize classical conditioning to hone each dog's natural detection capabilities.
It's all about pairing an odor with a reward system. So the dog relates this reward with that odor. And of course, to do that, the dog has to have value for the reward. So no matter what, if it thinks I'm hiding that ball, it's gonna search and search and search until it finds that ball. And it's just pairing of the odor on top of that.
Through repetition, the dogs learn that finding a source of odor means they'll get rewarded with their toy. Once a dog forms that association between the odor and their toy, they're ready to move on to the next step in their training. This room is filled with boxes containing either nothing, a novelty odor, or the odor the dogs are trained to find.
But at its basic form, odor dissipates. So the dog is picking it up at its weakest area and it's following it to its strongest point. And then they're going to bracket it back and forth and follow where odor is until they finally get to the source.
When the dog finds the source of the odor, they're trained to give a final response, going into a sit or down position.
Eventually they're going to have to work as a team with their handler, and then the handler is going to have to see that change of behavior. So if the dog were to move, it's going to be harder for the handler to make that determination that odor is actually there.
Once the dogs are proficient in searching for odors in the box room, they move on to larger environments, including vehicle parking lots and warehouses.